Hey everybody, welcome back. Now if you've been following me on Instagram, links in the description, you'll know I've been involved with a build challenge with Harrison Rands of Teen Engineering. Amid the explosion of coaster enthusiasts getting 3D printers to make models, including some of the many I've made, we decided to each create a working SNS 4D freespin model, the one seen at a bunch of Six Flags parks and some international parks. And right now mine is slated to come in at about 4 feet long and 2 feet high, so here's a quick look at what it's going to look like. So today we're going to look at the cars, because I actually just finished fabricating one. Using 8 bearings, the car is mostly printed and allows the seats to hang off the chassis as they do in person. The weight also gives the car a hefty dose of momentum as it's going down the track. The chassis is printed in 2 halves and then glued together in the center with zip ties to hold it while it dries. The bearings fit snug on the axles and the seats wrap around the bearings to just barely clear the track that is 67mm across. On the bottom bearings, I originally was going to have these super tiny bearings as wheels, but that quickly was abandoned because they're too fragile and can easily fall off, and I don't want to be losing them. So to circumvent that, I decided to go with the option that I've used before in the Zamperla Disco, little sleds acting almost as wheels. They're much more reliable and I don't have to worry about them falling off, obviously. Since the layers are parallel, I also don't have to worry about any increase in friction, and it works really well actually. Right now there's only one car because next week I'll hopefully have a portion of the track ready for testing to make sure there aren't any problems before I proceed with the rest of the project. I did already print one side, but this track is outdated and I've since removed the ridges on the sides of the track, as it's probably not a necessary detail for this thing to work. As you can see, each of them have their own serial number, just so I don't lose track of where they go and what order in which they go. On the side, I also recreated the queue building of Batman the Ride, the freespin that's going to Six Flags Discovery Kingdom in 2019. This is for a smaller display-only model that won't actually function, that hopefully I can actually give to the park. That's all for this update. Make sure to subscribe and like below. It costs you nothing and lets me know that you want to see more of these videos. You can stay up to date here during our live streams and photo updates on Instagram, links below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the parks. Bye.